For my birthday this year, I decided to explore a few waterfalls in or near Santiam State Forest. I've been in the area recently, but with better weather forecasts for today, it felt like the right time to go. It also gave me a great excuse to visit the Humble Pig Cafe in Molalla. My friend Mike from the Mighty Garage joined me. We're usually out on motorcycles, but this time we took the Bronco. Our first stop was Abiqua Falls. I've been told it requires a challenging hike, more of a climb really, with ropes to navigate. I wasn't entirely sure what to anticipate, but the fact that the trailhead demanded a capable vehicle only heightened my interest. Despite some prior research, I'm fairly certain I chose the tougher route down to the river. The descent was steep, and a single misstep could have been serious. Fortunately, we made it down safely, and from there it was a short walk along the river to the falls. The falls were stunning, truly spectacular. I was eager to get my drone up and capture a unique view from the top of the falls. I'd seen some drone footage of Abiqua before, but nothing matched the perspective I managed to get. The climb back up the trail was demanding, though we found what seemed to be a less grueling route this time. Still, it took real effort to make it to the top. I had hoped to loop eastward into the Santiam State Forest to visit another waterfall, but a locked gate blocked our path. This meant we had to head all the way north to Malala before doubling back. Since it was around lunchtime, this was the perfect opportunity to stop at the Humble Pig Cafe. We grabbed some sandwiches, and they were every bit as delicious as I hoped. After lunch, we made a quick trip to Panther Rock. With nearly clear skies, we were treated to incredible views of Mount Jefferson, Mount Hood, and Mount St. Helens. From there, I navigated a route north to the Malala River, stopping briefly at the Eye of Malala before heading home.